This is the winter storm of '08. Snow started falling here in the Great Northwest about a week ago on December 14th. Snow fell off and on during that week, bringing 2 to 3 inches of snow to the Portland metro area. On Saturday, December 20th, a major storm system came through and brought 5 to 10 inches of snow to many areas. As you can see, this tops anything that we had back in '04 when we had 6 inches of snow and then followed by half an inch of ice. I would say that a foot of snow has fallen since the start of the cold snap. Arctic air arrived about 10 days ago from the north, bringing record lows down to almost 10 degrees. There are a lot of mixed feelings associated with this storm. Some are loving it and some are hating it, but I, for one, am enjoying this. I mean, not just because of the additional time off, but also this sort of thing happens very often here in the Northwest. The last time anything like this happened was, hold on, that was like a branch crashing down. I just saw, and a whole bunch of snow just cascaded down from this tree in front of me. As I was saying, the last time that anything like this had happened was all the way back in January of '04, but that's nothing compared to what we've got right now. We are approaching the end of December. It looks like much of this snow will be around during Christmas. Highs are forecasted to stay in the 30s all the way up until the weekend, so I don't anticipate much melting between now and then. As you can see, we're still inundated in snow here in the Great Northwest. Several inches of new snow fell last night, and more is expected today before changing over to a rain-snow mix. As the snow melts, it falls from the trees, occasionally bringing down branches with it. As you can see, many are enjoying the wintry weather, but it's not going to be around for long as rain is starting to move into the area. Temperatures have warmed up well into the 30s, and as you can see, most of the trees have lost their snow and ice. As you can see, it's still slow going on these ice-covered roads. Alright, let's see what it looks like outside of the neighborhood. Roadway's not looking too bad. Christmas break started a week early at many. The rain's coming down pretty good now. Should see some significant melting over the next couple of days as the temperatures warm up into the 40s. Although much of the snow will be gone within the next few days, many will remember this winter storm of '08 for a long time. Oh, I know I will. Temperatures are expected to fall below freezing tonight, which means that any slush will quickly turn to ice. More precipitation is expected over the next couple days, so it is possible to see another inch or so of snow. Significant snow was expected with the arrival of this Arctic air, but nobody expected to get 14 inches of snow, which broke a 40-year record for the Portland metro area.